yung waistline nyo, you go po for medium. Okay? Come on, sir. Check out na po tayo for basket number. Okay, 4 natin. And if you buy 2, guys, you will get 10% off. And if you buy 3, guys, you will get po yung ating, okay, you will get po yung ating 15% off po of all items. Kaya if I were you guys, I will going to check out na po for basket number 4. Okay, guys. Okay, just me and stop. For this one po yung naghahanap guys ng, okay, yung naghahanap guys ng ating may keyhole. This one po, basket number 5. Kayo guys na naghahanap po ba ng keyhole for easy access? This one siya guys. For basket number 5, ating men's 3-in-1 classic brief po natin. As you can see on your screen, this one, ating men's 3-in-1 classic brief po natin. Men's 3-in-1 classic brief po natin guys is made of comb cotton material. Okay? Comb cotton material siya guys plus polyester pa po siya. With the soft and breathable fit na rin siya guys. Okay? With the bench body logo on the front, details at the back. This one guys, yung details at the back niya. This one is the XL po natin. If your waistline guys is 30, okay? 30 to 34, 34 to 36 guys, you go for XL. Okay? As you can see guys, ganito po yung kanyang suotin. Okay, all you have to do guys, this one, pag binababa, taas, baba, taas po natin guys, yung ating men's 3-in-1 classic brief po natin. Nagiging sani po siya guys ng pagkaluwag minsan ng ating garter. So guys, all you have to do is to grab this one, and then the other one po natin guys, is lalabas na po yung ating mga, okay, yung ating mga Tweety Bird for the short period of time. Kaya guys, if I were you, I will going to check out the po for this one. Yan, good afternoon para kay Nix the Kitten. Yan, Nix the Kitten, good afternoon sa iyo and welcome sa ating Bench Official here at TikTok. Okay? Good afternoon sa guys sa lahat po ng mga bagong pasok dyan. Okay? For all the newcomers guys. Okay, medium is 30, Ma'am Hillary.